Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today Crypto.com is making headlines. We're going to talk a little bit about it, some of the things that are going on right now, including a Shiba Inu trading contest, a Crypto.com Visa Guard review by USA Today, and of course, this news about the Cronos burns that may be coming to this project could be moving the coin up in a big way in this next bull run. Let's talk a little bit about it in this video. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 5 videos every single day for you and 10,000 subscribers. We're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so do not miss out on that, folks. Let's look here at these overall markets and hop into these charts to see where we're at, because right now, crypto's down a little bit, a $1.22 trillion market cap. If you look at Cronos right now, little lower at rank number 38. We'll have to see. It is moving down. Can it break out of the top 40 and even into rank 41 or 42? We'll have to see. I don't think that it should, but it certainly could, guys. A $1.78 billion market cap is not anything to balk at, though. That is a significant market cap. So there should be some pretty good things ahead for this coin, and there's a lot of reasons why. Well, they are doing a lot of great things. Just keeping excitement. You know, Crypto.com introducing Shiba Inu trading contest for the community, which is great. Shibarium launched. People are excited about that. You know, you look back at the days where everybody was talking about the amount of money that people are holding in Shiba Inu within the Crypto.com app. You know, why are the reserves from Crypto.com so many Shiba Inu? A lot of new cryptocurrency traders are attracted to low-priced coins in dollar amount like Shiba Inu, and so they went to a easy-to-use exchange like Crypto.com to utilize it, and Crypto.com is doing a fantastic job of keeping this community excited. They know that their audience likes Shiba Inu, so this is a great little thing, and they made headlines today on Watcher Brewer, which is great. Another great headline that Crypto.com made today is Crypto.com's Visa card in 2023 is getting a review, which is fantastic. You know, I have myself some of these Visa cards, right? I've had the Indigo, I have the Rose Gold currently. I had my money staked for that card. I recently, in the last year or so, took away that stake, and now I'm just holding the card. I still get to use it for the ATMs, but in my opinion, I didn't want to have that locked into the Crypto.com card when I could have it in the DeFi space, earning a 10 or 11% APY on my Crow stack in the DeFi wallet versus the card staking for Crypto.com, where you'll earn 8% on the Rose Gold tier. So I chose to put it into the DeFi app instead of having it into the Visa card instead. So a couple of the reviews, though, you know, it's very interesting that this is getting headlines. This is something that's very attractive to people. People want a crypto card for their crypto to be able to spend it easily, and this is a very easy one to use. You can see some of the information in the article. They do a great job of sharing it. You know, the lowest cost card is free, right? There's no lockup requirement to just get the card where you can spend with it and top up your card. Ruby Steel 400 Crow lockup has some benefits, I think like free Netflix and things like that. So look at all the benefits, guys. Really nothing's changed over the last couple of years, but it is great to see that, or last year or so, but it is great to see that it's making headlines and getting traction. This could help bring new users to get some reviews like this. And when you look at some of the other details, you know, and they show you what are the pros and cons, no credit requirements, great benefits for the cards, no annual fee, which is great. The cons, which really aren't even that bad to me, are low ATM withdrawal limits. I think they're fine. You know, the Midnight Blue only allows cardholders to withdraw up to $200 per month without a fee, and only 5,000 total. Which is, I guess, lower. I have the Rose Gold. I don't have any issues with it, so let me know what your experience is in the comments down below with that. But it's just good to see more things getting talked about. The Shiba Inu trading contest and the Crypto.com card getting talked about. And don't forget, probably the most exciting thing lately is this Crow burn. I want to talk a little bit more about this very quickly today. So the way that Crypto.com is currently set up is the Crow holders in the Cronos chain, they delegate their Crow to the validators. The validators then stake their Crow in bonds to the Crypto.org chain. And then from there, the Crow holders that delegated their Crow receive those rewards after they deduct the commissions that the validators get. And then the validators receive those commissions. That's the process today. Well, the new proposal on GitHub is this. The Crow holders delegate the CRO to the validators. The validators then stake it in bonds on the crypto.org chain, and then they redirect those portion of the CRO rewards to a community pool, and then the CRO rewards are received by the CRO holders after the validators' commissions are deducted. Then the validators get paid, and then the governance team would vote to send a certain amount of CRO to a burn address. And so this is essentially, yes, giving the validators a little less money. This would also mean that the CRO holders would receive less APY. So you got to ask yourself when you're thinking, is this good or is this bad? Well, on one hand, CRO is going to get burned, which is great. We like CRO burning. 100 million would be burned in the first year with this proposal is what they're predicting out of the 30 billion CRO tokens in existence. So it's not a crazy amount, but it would reduce the inflation by 0.4% for the token over the course of the year, which would bring possibly new investors, people getting excited about the project. On one hand, that's very good. That can help the price of the token. On the other hand, if you're holding CRO right now and you're staking it in the DeFi app, this would mean that maybe instead of making 10 or 12%, maybe now you're making 8 or 6%. And then maybe that Crypto.com card is more worth it than the DeFi app. And maybe now people would be less incentivized to stake their CRO. I'm not sure how it's going to play out. It'll be very curious, but there's a debate going on right now. I'll tell you this, personally, I'm a fan of the CRO burn. I think that it's going to be good to burn the tokens. I think it would get people excited about the project. Give me a little less APY on my CRO. I'm willing to accept it. I would hope the validators are willing to accept it as well. Maybe they're not, but at the same time, that is a conversation that's going on right now. Nothing's decided. If you want a say in it, all you have to do is get involved in the discussion on Discord or on GitHub with the crypto.org chain. As they're making these decisions, they're looking to the validators and they're looking to the community that is staking their money with these validators to understand, what they think about this. Now, just because they're talking about this type of burn, it doesn't mean that there's not some other burns in the future. People are starting to talk about there's a chance that maybe they're just burning a percentage of all the transactions fee. I personally am more of a fan of that overall. I think per transaction would be better, but also burns based off this community pool into this burn address sounds pretty interesting as well. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, but quite a few things happening with CRO, which is why it's looking pretty decent, around 7 cents over the last couple days. Right now, if you look at the overall price action for CRO, it's holding its own versus Bitcoin, not really crashing down versus Bitcoin, even on a day where the crypto markets are having a big red wick. Right now, crypto markets are down about 5% overall right now, and CRO is down only about like 1% versus Bitcoin, which is pretty good. I'd like to see CRO to continue to hold its stronghold versus Bitcoin at this level. Of course, there's possibilities for more downside, but in the next bull market, guys, I feel like there's a chance for maybe 1,000% gains, or if we just go straight up from here, even 640 something percent gains against Bitcoin. We will have to see how it plays out, guys. That's all I got in this video. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA and HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I have 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.